Bohemian Bakery. But we're not going there. Good morning. We're going to the Craft Coffee Embassy, I think. Been there yesterday and the coffee was just They have like pour over specialty something and it was very good. And did you know that coffee beans can have a cup score, which kind of is the quality of the coffee, and this one has a cup score of 85. And once you go into the 90s, you think about, or you're calculating like a couple, almost hundreds of dollars for a cup of coffee. So it's pretty good coffee. Anyway, gonna get there and then we need to make our way to Nelson either tonight or tomorrow. So the last time we had this one, the Benza, and they ran out of this one, and I got the last cup of this, the Luis Anibal Calderon Ethiopian Heirloom. This is kind of how we work for the last couple of days. There's barely anyone here and it's super quiet. Really enjoy working here. No kids running around, no people screaming. Just get the work done, get the cutting done. And we're now trying to use DaVinci Resolve, used VN. That's also got export problems, so maybe DaVinci is not. It's a very advanced editing software. Oh well, let's see how we go. Lunch. Good morning. Next up, Nelson. See those mountains? I think we're passing through them. It's about a 5-hour drive according to Google, so probably take us 6 hours. And it's 11 o'clock now. Let's hope that we get there before the gig starts. Right, just had a small break here. I don't even know, like somewhere between Springs Junction and, well, Nelson. And I just wanted to have a break, but then we saw this one. Fresh eggs! Let's hope that there is some. Damn it! That is unfortunate. Yeah, we have found another fresh egg stall thing. So we're just going to quickly turn around and see if there's eggs there. But I mean, in the meantime, just like... damn it. What's that? It's not eggs. Ooh. Do you like the sex you're having? Alright. Native plants? No, it's not what we want. Damn it! Hope Saddle Lookout. I thought it would be a bit more impressive. But maybe it's a 10-minute walk and we don't have time for that.
Same with the RJD in the G-Class one time. If the party people are inside, please pop your head and move your feet a little. This is Georgia. Watch it. Fuck off. And we gon' raise it up right. We dance through the day and we dance through the night. Like whoa, whoa, whoa. We gon' raise it up right. We dance through the day and we dance through the night. Like when I was a little boy, yeah, I like to sing. Bring the vibe inside and heighten up things. Let it ring. Them a sound boy, a heavy where you been. Been a min. We want to come back the biz, we bring it in like boy. And we gon' step on another dance. With a live up into the party at the carny going mad. Like whoa, whoa, whoa. We gon' step on another dance. With a live up into the party at the carny going mad. Like whoa. And so you better watch the stance. I like the way she move herself, she giving me the glance. Like, whoa, 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 you better watch the stance. I like the way she move herself, she giving me the glance. Like, and we not step on no one. We only move to magic, we like step on the drums. And now I bless the pathway and I cleared up my lungs. The journey's only just begun when I fire from the gun. Like, watch it now. Are you ready? Nah. I can't hear you, man. Are you ready now? Why? Boom, Selekky when we bring that thing around. Boom, 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 Selekky when we raise it up now. Dub sound London to the Bristol up now. Said I'm popping up to Leeds cause I know if it gets down. Like, boom, Selekky when we bring that thing around. Boom, 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 Selekky when we raise it up now. Dub sound London to the Bristol up now. Said I'm popping up to Leeds cause I know if it gets down. Like, why? And we gon' intake the fire. With a bless up into the room and then we know we never tire. Like roll like the RJD, the G-Class on fire. Press a fire, then I talk about the set and we get higher. Like I was blessed from placenta in the womb. So I entered into the room and she's like, hey, I like your shoe. Like madder and madder and it come badder and badder. Madder and madder and it come badder and badder. What's up, me in the year. Take some ragamuffin in my life and up to day. Like what's up, me in the matter inside. Bit of a ragamuffin in my sip on another night. Lemon step on another dance and we gon' elevate. Holy water mixed with all our music we gon' demonstrate. Meditate, medicate, centriphilia when we flying up at heaven's gate. Boom, Selekky when we bring that thing around. Boom, 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 Selekky when we raise it up now. Dub sound London to the Bristol up now. Said I'm popping up to Leeds cause I know if it gets down. Like Selekky when we bring that thing around. Boom, boom, Selekky when we raise it up now. Dub sound London to the Bristol up now. Said I'm popping up to Leeds cause I know if it gets down. And we gon' raise it up right. We dance through the day and we dance through the night. Like whoa, whoa, whoa. We gon' raise it up right. We dance through the day and we dance through the night. Boom, Selekky. Boom, Selekky when we bring that thing around. Boom, boom, Selekky. Boom, Selekky when we bring that thing around. Boom. Melt your face. Watch the pattern. Watch the flow and then we bless the flow. Bless the flow. Lightning and thunder. Better move your bumper. Lightning and thunder. Better move your bumper.
This one big like Nelson, family, East Street, we riding, stepping up on the bass sound, Kinko them supplying, ready now. We're coming from the stars like Nico.